Okay, we are going to find the derivative of this function here, y is equal to x plus 2 over parentheses 4x minus 1 and then square. Well, we are going to use the quotient rule, so let's get to work. First of all, let's write down y prime, and this is equal to, when we start with a fraction, we are going to end up with a fraction, and before we forget, let's put the denominator right here, and we are going to square that. And don't forget, this right here stays as 4x minus 1 square. So this square is from the original. And then the quotient rule says we have to square the denominator. So that's what we have. Then on the top, you are going to just write down the bottom function. Namely, you have the parentheses 4x minus 1 to the second power. And then you multiply by the derivative of the top function. The derivative of x plus 2 is just 1. So you multiply by 1 right here. And then you are going to minus the top function. And because it has two terms, be sure you put it in parentheses. And then you are going to multiply by the derivative of the bottom function. Well, focus on 4x minus 1 squared. To get the derivative of this, you are going to first bring the 2 to the front and then minus 1 to the exponent. So you have 2 times 4x minus 1 to the first power. And then the chain rule says we are going to multiply by the derivative inside, which we have to multiply by a 4, like that. So this right here is the calculus step. Okay? Now the rest is just simplify this guy. Well, to do so, notice that this and that, we have a common factor. We can factor out one of the 4x minus 1. So let's do that on the top. Let me put that all the way in the front. 4x minus 1. And then we are going to end up with, well, for this term, we factored out one of this. So we have just 4x minus 1 left right here. And then this is multiplying, so this is another term. We are going to put on a minus first. This is out already. So we do 2 times 4, which is 8. And we still have this factor. I'll put this down as parentheses x plus 2, like that, right? And then this is all over this to the fourth power. So 4x minus 1 to the fourth power. Well, as you can see, we can cancel this one with that. So you have the third power in the denominator. On the top here, of course, we can simplify. This right here is negative 8x and minus 16. Well, we can combine terms on the top, and that's pretty much it. So we see 4x minus 8x. Of course, that will give us negative 4x right here and here. And then this is minus 1 minus 16. Altogether, we get minus 17. And the denominator is just this guy, which is 4x minus 1 to the third power. Not too easy, not too hard, just about right. What do you guys think? Anyway, as always, that's it.